Purnamasi also benedicted Shiva that he could bestow upon devotees the qualification to enter the rasa dance. The deity of Gopeshwar Mahadev, established by Bhadranath 5,000 years ago, resides near Vamshivat, the famous tree near the Yamuna where Krishna called the gopis with his flute for the Maharas dance. Every evening around sunset, the pujaris dress Gopeshwar Mahadev, the linga there, as a gopi, very beautifully. Lenga and chunari and nose ring and nice face and everything, pretty lipstick and everything. Beautiful lady's face. Devotees pray to Gopeshwar to grant them the pure love that will enable them to enter the sweet pastimes of Radha and Krishna Vrindavan. Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur has his beautiful prayer to Lord Shiva. Vrindavana Avani Pate Jaya Soma Soma Mole Sanandana Sanatana Naradedya Gopeshwara Brajavilasi Yugangri Padme Prema Prayacha Nirupadi Namo Namaste. O gatekeeper of Vrindavan, O Soma, all glories to you, O you whose forehead is decorated with the moon, and who is worshipped by the sages headed by Sanandana, Sanatana, and Narad. O Gopeshwar, desiring that you bestow upon me limitless love for the lotus feet of Sri Radha Madhav, who perform joyous pastimes in Brajadam, I offer my obeisances unto you again and again.